The future may not be as far away as we imagine, but it is. This is the verification of confidence, but it's still far from enough.
Falling isn't fear. It's freedom.
This was not part of the show!
Actually, I've been waiting for you here all along.
You look like a giant wedding flower. Wedding flower? This is fashion!
I thought this combination would look silly, but actually, it's actually pretty perfect.
Light me up, I'm burning on the stage. Hear my heart beat louder than the rain.
Hello. Welcome to AI Factory. Every few months, the AI video world gets shaken by a new open source model. But this time, it's different. There's one model quietly rewriting the rules of AI video generation. LTX 2.3, the most powerful open source video engine available today. It's completely free, runs locally on consumer GPUs, outputs 1080p cinematic video with built-in audio, understands multilingual prompts, and can generate up to 20 seconds of high-resolution footage. Compared to the previous LTX 2.0, LTX 2.3 jumps from 19B 22B parameters, with stronger vertical video support, cleaner audio, more stable image-to-video transitions, smarter prompt understanding, and sharper text rendering. This isn't just an update, it's a generational leap for open-source video. And today, I'll show you exactly how to install LTX 2.3 locally from scratch, so you can finally say goodbye to cloud queues, subscription limits, and generation caps. Your computer is about to become your own AI film studio, ready to create any scene, any voice, any story you imagine. Even if you're a complete beginner, just follow along step by step and you'll generate your first AI video today. Ready? Your AI filmmaking era starts now. Step 1. Download ComfyUI. Before we can run LTX 2 or LTX 2.3, we need to install the foundation that powers everything. ComfyUI, a completely free, open-source, locally run AI generation tool. It uses a node-based workflow, giving you full control over every part of the generation pipeline. This is why so many professional creators rely on it for images, videos, animation, style transfer, and more. And the best part, no subscriptions, no cloud fees, no queues, no generation limits. Can your computer run it? My system has 64 gigabytes of RAM and an NVIDIA RTX 5090 with 32 gigabytes of VRAM. So ComfyUI and LTX 2.3 run effortlessly. If you also have an NVIDIA RTX GPU with at least 12 gigabytes of VRAM, you can run ComfyUI without any issues. The only difference will be how fast your generations complete. If you want a full breakdown of 2026 hardware recommendations, GPU requirements, and pitfalls to avoid for local AI video generation, I've already made a dedicated video covering everything in detail. If you haven't watched it yet, you can find it on my channel. I won't repeat all of that here. If your computer can run it, you instantly have your own AI production studio. If you haven't installed ComfyUI yet, follow along. Open your browser and go to Google. Search for ComfyUI. Click the first result, the official website. On the homepage, click Download ComfyUI. You'll see 3 options. Download for Windows, download for Mac, install from GitHub. Choose the version that matches your system. In my case, I'm selecting download for Windows. Once the download is complete, we're ready to set it up and install the models. The ComfyUI website has recently been updated, so the buttons and layout may look slightly different from what you see in my video. But don't worry, The installation process is exactly the same. Just click the new Download Local button. Step 2. Download and install Git. Once you click Download ComfyUI, the file may take a little while to finish downloading. This is completely normal because the package is fairly large. After the download is complete, you'll see a ComfyUI shortcut icon appear on your desktop. When you click the icon for the first time, a pop-up window will appear saying, "Please download and install Git before continuing with the installation of ComfyUI." This simply means Git isn't installed on your system yet, and ComfyUI needs it to continue. Here's how to install it. Open your browser and go to git-scm.com. Download Git. Run the installer. Keep all the default settings. Click Next repeatedly until the installation is complete. Once Git is installed, launch ComfyUI again, and it should start up without any issues. Step 3. Start installing ComfyUI. After clicking Get Started, ComfyUI will launch its new installation wizard. Here's what happens next. 1. Choose your hardware setup. Since my computer uses an NVIDIA GPU, I select NVIDIA here. If you also have an NVIDIA GPU with 12 GB VRAM or more, choose the same option. 2. Pick a folder for ComfyUI's files. Next, ComfyUI will ask you to choose a folder where all its files will be stored. Simply select a location you prefer. ComfyUI will automatically set up its own Python environment inside that folder. No manual Python installation required. 3. Configure how ComfyUI behaves on your desktop. You'll see a few configuration options. Just leave everything at default settings. Then click Install. 4. Wait for the installation to finish. The installation may take a while. Just let it run and complete the setup. 5. Installation complete, ComfyUI launches. Once it's done, ComfyUI will open automatically. On the Getting Started page, you'll see the latest official templates, including text to image, image editing, image to video, image to 3D, text to song, image generation, and many more. I'll cover these templates in future videos. But today we're focusing on one thing: how to install and use LTX 2.3. Step 4. Download the LTX 2.3 templates. In the left generation type panel, click Image, and you'll see all the latest image generation templates. Z Image Turbo, Text to Image, Nano Banana 2, Nano Banana Pro, Quen, C-Dream, Grok, LTX 2.3 Image to Video, Flux.2, and many more. Then switch to video generation, where you'll find nearly every major AI video model available today. WAN 2.2 Image to Video, WAN 2.2 Text to Video, Grok, LTX 2.3 Image to Video, LTX 2.3 Image plus Audio to Video, LTX 2.3 Text to Video, LTX 2 Image to Video, and more. Let's click LTX 2.3 Text to Video. Downloading the models. You'll see a message. This workflow is missing models. And total download size, 44.54 gigabytes. My system has enough RAM and VRAM, so I click Download All. You can also read the notes on the right side. They explain common issues and solutions for LTX 2.3. In the Model Library panel, you'll see all LTX 2.3 models downloading. This may take a few minutes. While waiting, I go back to video generation, open LTX 2.3 Image to Video, and again click Download All, 43.95 gigabytes. You'll now see two workflow windows at the top. LTX 2.3 Text to Video. It already includes a default prompt. In the Model Library panel, you'll notice that all the LTX 2.3 models are still downloading. These files are extremely large, so give it a few minutes and let the downloads finish. Once all models finish downloading, I reopen LTX 2.3 Text to Video, and I see an error. This workflow is missing models. Missing latent upscale models. you can click Download. If the error persists, if the error still appears, you need to manually create this folder, ComfyUI models latent upscale models. I ran into the same issue when installing LTX 2.0 as well. So I suspect this might be a small built-in bug in the LTX workflows. Restart your computer, reopen ComfyUI, the issue will be resolved. Now let's test it out by using the built-in prompt to generate an example video. After clicking Run, you'll see one job active in the corner, which means LTX 2.3 is generating your video. The first run is usually slow, so I clicked Run again, and now it shows 2 jobs active. At this point, 2 red error boxes appear, which means the workflow encountered an error while running. I open the subgraph to check the issue, and the problem comes from the load image node. This is one of the most common issues when using LTX 2.3. The workflow includes a load image node that references an example image, but no actual image is provided. So, if you don't upload an image, the workflow will fail. This happens in text-to-video, image-to-video, and other LTX 2.3 workflows. The fix is simple. You must upload an image into the load image node. Even a plain black or white image works. Once you add an image, the error disappears. This is the first important thing to remember when using LTX 2.3. The load image node cannot be empty. You must upload an image, or the workflow will fail. And this is the video generated using the built-in example prompt. Now that everything is installed and tested successfully, let's try generating a video using our own custom prompts. If you close the ComfyUI window, simply locate the ComfyUI icon on your desktop and double-click to reopen it. Once you're back on the main page, go to the Templates section and select LTX 2.3 text to video to continue working. Paste your prompt into the text box. Keep the default horizontal resolution and 5-second duration, and click Run. The first generation may take a bit longer, but usually it finishes in about 30 seconds.
The lighting here is absolutely perfect today.
The generated footage looks incredibly realistic, from the camera shutter sound to the British accented synced dialogue, and even the lighting effects are handled beautifully. The only thing that looks a bit unusual is the shape of the camera itself. Then I generated another video using the exact same prompt.
The lighting here is absolutely perfect today.
The results were still excellent, but this time there was no lip-synced dialogue. It switched to a voiceover narration instead. Second prompt, animation style. The second video uses an animation style prompt, and it renders very quickly, around 10 to 15 seconds. Of course, the exact speed depends on your hardware.
You said you'd take out the trash this morning.
I was waiting for the perfect emotional...
You'll notice the boy's line gets cut off because the video is only 5 seconds long. If you want the dialogue to finish, simply increase the duration. Third video, every workflow lets you open its subgraph and inspect the full sampling process in detail. You can follow each blue node step by step and see exactly how long each stage takes to generate.
This rifle shakes like crazy, but the fire rate is amazing. I'm pushing through the left.
Third video, great audio and cinematic look. The third video has impressive audio quality. Realistic voiceover, solid visuals. And overall good visual quality. The duration is a bit short, and you can always adjust the resolution to improve clarity. And a strong cinematic feel to the character. Using your own images improves quality. If you want even sharper visuals and better aesthetics, using your own images will significantly improve the results. Now let's try image to video. Go back to Templates and select LTX 2.3 image to video. Upload a prepared image. My image is high resolution and large, so I'm keeping the original size without any changes. Keep the default horizontal layout and 5-second duration. Then click Run to see the result. Enter the subgraph to view the detailed workflow. Then follow each blue node all the way to the end to trace the entire process. 5 seconds was a bit too short, so I increased the duration to 9 seconds to see how the results improve.
The light here, it's really... Some moments aren't meant to be recorded, they're meant to be felt. And right now, the light, the wind, the sea, they're all telling me I'm standing inside my own story.
LTX 2.3 can generate videos up to 20 seconds long. Here's a longer video I created. Although it was supposed to include lip-sync dialogue, it switched to a voiceover instead. Even so, the overall result is impressive. The lighting, environment, and background audio all feel very realistic. Next, I uploaded a 9:16 vertical image and adjusted the image size inside the workflow. We hadn't tested vertical video generation before, so I wanted to see how it performs.
I thought this combination would look silly, but actually, it's actually pretty perfect.
The result is extremely impressive. The synced voice, natural movement, and overall realism make it hard to believe this is AI generated. Then I tested a 3D style image. Since I didn't change the output size, you'll see both a vertical and a horizontal version.
Actually, I've been waiting for you here all along. Actually, I've been waiting for you here all along.
The dreamy, cinematic environment is handled beautifully. I continued generating several more videos without modifying any workflow nodes, just changing the resolution and duration.
Light me up, I'm burning on this stage. Hear my heart beat louder than the rain.
The future may not be as far away as we imagine, but it is. This is the verification of confidence, but it's still far from enough.
Falling isn't fear. It's freedom.
You look like a giant wedding flower. Wedding flower? This is fashion!
This rifle shakes crazy, but the fire rate is amazing. I'm pushing through the left.
Falling isn't fear, it's freedom.
All the videos you generate will be saved automatically in the output folder. The results remained consistently stunning. As long as your prompt is well written and your images are high quality, you can generate multiple versions until you get the perfect result. The speed will depend on your computer hardware, but the output quality is generally very good. And remember, this is free, unlimited local generation. No cloud subscription, no queue, no credits, no daily limits. It's far more powerful and cost-effective than cloud-based video generation. In this video, we covered two main things: how to install ComfyUI and LTX 2.3, and how to use LTX 2.3 for basic text-to-video and image-to-video generation. If you've followed along to this point, congratulations. You now have the ability to generate high-quality AI videos locally, for free with no limits. In the next tutorial, we'll dive deeper into more LTX 2.3 templates, essential ComfyUI settings, and workflow optimization. Tips for achieving more stable and higher quality results. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next lesson.
When it's raining.